Hello, my name is Niklas, and this is a short presentation of a new part of BioPatRec called data analysis. It's a tool that you can use to evaluate your recorded data before you use it further in pattern recognition. The first thing you do with this tool is you select a feature set that you want to use, and then you can also select different setups with the channels that you have recorded. When you've finished with that, you push extract features, and features are extracted from the data. When the features have been extracted, the feature space will be analyzed according to the settings that you've done here. First off, it's default settings, but you will be able to edit them as the features are extracted. And the whole analysis setup will be changed according to your settings. After the analysis, the feature space is represented by these plots. One plot is representing one movement, and by pushing or clicking on one of these plots, you get a bigger version of it over here. In these small plots, the red cluster is the one movement that is concerned for that specific plot, and the blue one is the one that is by the algorithm evaluated as the closest class or movement in feature space. So it's basically the most overlapping class. And by representing feature space in this way, you can see how well separated the considered movement is from the other ones. As you can see, the one that is most overlapping. So in this case it's really good, but if you click on this one, you can see that the points are a lot closer, and this will probably end up having a worse classification accuracy in the end. In this box you can see which movement you're evaluating, and also its nearest neighbor, and you also get a value that originates from the algorithm that you've selected here. The plots with white background is predicted to have good accuracy, while the ones with red backgrounds is predicted to have a lower one. The prediction is based on the input of this low accuracy limit that you set. So it's the accuracy that you're aiming at getting, and a correlation between classification accuracy and the outcome of the algorithm that has been observed through experiments. And in the list down here you have the movements in your experiments, and you also have the outcome of the algorithm, the classification complexity estimates, and you also have the number of conflicts that is connected to that movement. So if a movement has a high number here, that means it's conflicting a lot with other movements, and it's not going to be very well predicted. So if for any of these reasons you want to change one of the movements, you can either select it and delete it through this tool, and then you can save the data without that movement in the setup, and you can also select it and replace it. So when selecting, and you can select number of movements, and you push replace, and you start a new recording session that will lead to new data, and then you get back to the data analysis and you can evaluate the data again. Okay, that's it.